Hello friends, welcome to week 3 of our April Storytime craft activity kits. So this week our theme is farms and our activity is actually a paper plate cow. So in your bag you should have a paper plate, a large pink oval, and then two cow ears that are in there as well, and then a large square rectangular piece of black construction paper. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you how we do this. Alright everyone, so here is our paper plate cow. So I'm going to start off by putting on our cow nose. So just take some regular stick glue. We're going to glue it on toward the bottom of our cow's face. And then before we get too far, I am going to take this black marker and make some nostrils on our cow. There we go. That's a proper nose. And then maybe a little bit of a smile or a mouth. Then I'm going to glue on the ears, but I'm going to put the glue on this kind of front side here so that we can stick the ear back here. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is put some eyes on our cow. Our last step is going to be to tear off pieces of the black construction paper to make our cow's spots. Once we got those pieces torn the way we want to, I'm going to glue them on. Alright friends, here is our black and white cow. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye!